Today I'm going to be reviewing Manscaped's The Chairman Pro. I'd like to thank them for sending this to me to review. It comes in a really nice box. Also get this case. Let's take a look at what you get inside. You're obviously going to get the shaver, really nice. Also, if you want Stubble, which I don't right now, you get this attachment. Everything fits in here, really nice case actually. And then in here you just get your charger. So I wanted to try this out and see how well this works. So it's real easy to use. If you want to put on this head, it's a magnet. So actually all you do, you'll see there's little finger grips there. Just pull it up and then you can put the other one on. That's really easy, simple. And there you go. All right, so let's go ahead and give this a try and see if this works. So far, look at that. Really nice. And there you go. I have real thick beard growing in there. Perfect. I don't know what else to say. It works. It's easy to use. I'm pretty happy. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.